I think we are ready now. You're all here with me. So let's start, okay? So today we're going to learn vocabulary. Are you following my challenge? You have to. It's so fun. And you get so much. Every single slide. Okay, I'm going to start sharing. Thank you for the hearts. Let's do this. Let's do this. You know that I have a special way of explaining vocabulary, and you have to study like this because it will blow your mind, okay? You'll learn so much. Okay, so today I wanted to explain stationery, but I thought stationery is a lot, right? So we have to make a little more precise. So I thought pencil case, so we know that a pencil case is estuche, okay? El estuche, okay? So what can we learn when we want to try to study a word? Remember, you brainstorm and you think, okay, so I'm studying estuche, pencil case, so what can I put in my pencil case, okay? And then you think, a ruler, una regla, an eraser, okay? Una goma, we say for eraser, a pen, un bolígrafo, okay? A pencil, un lápiz. So think about all the things related to the word you're studying, okay? In this case, estuche, pencil case. Okay, so what can you add there? Un rotulador, a marker, un sacapuntas, okay? Pencil sharpener. So we have that. So we have our word, and just see one word and all the words we have added there, okay? So what else? We can describe, as always, the word we are studying, okay? So estuche is masculine, el estuche. What can we say about a pencil case? We can say it's big, okay? It's small, es grande, es pequeño. It has 3 pockets, okay? The ones that have 3, I love those. My kids have those and they're so cute. So, and I even have, but I have 2, not 3 pockets. So, de 3 bolsillos, okay? We can also say the color. So, you're revising, you're studying colors too. Azul, rosa, verde, okay? Blue, pink, green. Okay, so think about all the things you're learning with just one word, estuche, okay? Okay, so grande, pequeño, de 3 bolsillos, azul, rosa, verde, the color, and then we have nuevo, new, viejo, old, okay? Hi everyone joining. Thank you for the hearts. I'm seeing everything, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, so let's move on. We know what we can put inside the estuche, pencil case, we know. The adjectives and then verbs. Super important. Remember, when you study a noun, you want to add always verbs because then you'll be able to make sentences. If you know the things you can put in your estuche, the things like you can describe your pencil case, and then you add verbs, you're writing and you're making sentences like this, okay? So which verbs? You don't have to add like many verbs, okay? Don't get overwhelmed. Choose 4, okay? 3, it doesn't even matter, okay? So in this case, I said, I can have, okay? Yo puedo tener un estuche, okay? I have a pencil case. I can buy a pencil case. Puedo comprar, okay? Comprar is buy a pencil case. Maybe I forget my pencil case at home, so I thought, okay, olvidar, okay? Hi everyone joining, and I can pull it up of my bag or my backpack. That is sacar, okay? So just see, with one word, you have everything there, okay? We have all the things inside, we have the adjectives and the things to describe it, and then we have verbs. And then we're going to make sentences, okay? So I have explained everything in this single slide, but I had to break it up for you. So I don't know why I get so happy explaining that I have to go slower. So you have everything inside a pencil case there, okay? So una regla, una goma, you have the icon there because it's super important when you study, always try. I know that drawing sometimes it's like you don't feel like doing it, although you should do it because it's like amazing for your creativity. But try adding an icon. Why? Because if you make it visual, you will remember it like this, okay? So always try to make things visual and then associate it with the word, and it will get locked in your brain, okay? So, regla, goma, okay? Un bolígrafo, pen, un lápiz, pencil, un rotulador, marker, un sacapuntas, okay? Pencil sharpener, okay? And remember that all these slides, you can get them if you get in the link in my bio, okay? What else for description? I already told you, but we have grande, big, pequeño, small, de tres bolsillos, or de dos. Thank you for the hearts. With 3 pockets or 2. The colors, you can go over the colors again. I put only 3, but you can add as many as you want. Azul, rosa, verde, nuevo, new, viejo, old, okay? Great. Okay, so now that we know so many things, let's practice. Okay, well, we have the verbs first, it's true. Verbs, we have the verb tener, tengo un estuche, I have a pencil case. Another verb, I have already explained it, but it's comprar, to buy. Me he comprado un estuche nuevo, I've bought a new pencil case. Olvidar, to forget, when you have to go somewhere and then you don't have your pencil case, okay? Se me ha olvidado el estuche, or él se ha olvidado el estuche en casa. Y sacar, like to pull it up, okay? Out. So, ellos sacaron el estuche de la mochila. Okay? Let's practice. Okay, so, if I say, mi hermana, un estuche muy bonito. Remember, you can write it down and I will correct you. And remember, please, that we don't mind here, that making mistakes is the best thing for learning. So we don't mind if we make a mistake, okay? We're here to learn and to practice. So, mi hermana, un estuche muy bonito. Has, and I want has, but you could say, yes, you could say compró too, okay? Tiene un estuche muy bonito means that she has, okay, a very beautiful pencil case, and compró, perfect. She bought a very beautiful pencil case. Perfect, okay? So, muy bien, perfecto, muy bien, muy bien. La siguiente, the next one. ¿Me dejas un para la clase? So, can you lend me? This is another verb. Dejar. Me dejas is, can you lend me, okay? A pencil, a pen, whatever you want to say. So, let me know. What do you want to write here? Me dejas un para la clase, okay? For class. I need to write down notes, so I need un lápiz, perfecto. We can say un lápiz, we can say there's another one. Muy bien, perfecto. Un bolígrafo, right? Muy bien. Un cuaderno, wow, yes, that's another one. Muy bien. Un bolígrafo, okay, cuaderno is notebook, muy bien. Un bolígrafo, muy bien, perfecto. Un compás, muy bien. Okay, next one. El estuche y dejadlo encima de la mesa. So, you have the clue in dejadlo, okay? And leave it on the table. So, your pencil case and leave it on the table. So, I'm getting like an order, right? Do this. So, what? What can it be? We have study, some verbs there. So, what verb do you think it will be the most appropriate to use here? But remember, dejadlo. So, I'm talking to you, plural, okay? And it's like someone tells you to do it. So, do you know what it is? I can give you a clue. It's like pull it out of your backpack, wherever. Perfect. The verb is sacar, and we have to make it a command. So, sacad, okay? It has to be with a D, sacad, because I'm talking to plural. If you see the next one, I know this because of the next verb, dejadlo, leave it, you, okay? You, plural. So it has to be sacad, okay? Ending in D, it's imperative. Muy bien, so sacad el estuche y dejadlo encima de la mesa. Perfecto, muy bien. Next one. Se me ha roto el estuche. Me uno. So you're telling that your pencil case is ruined and you're asking for example, no, I don't know, someone to buy it for you. So, muy bien, perfecto. So the previous one is the one ending in D, sacad, okay, with a D, because it's an imperativo. Sacad el estuche, okay, in the previous sentence, okay? Okay, and this one, se me ha roto el estuche, me uno. Me compras uno, perfecto. Se me ha roto el estuche, me compras uno, okay? Muy bien. Muy bien, perfecto. Okay, the next one. Note los rotuladores y la regla. So here is like, don't forget, okay? Los rotuladores y la regla. Don't forget. Note, forget. So, write it down below. Thank you for the hearts. Note los rotuladores y la regla. What would you say here? Don't forget, okay, the markers and the ruler. Note. Second person, okay. No te olvides, muy bien. Olvides, okay. Muy bien, perfect. Because it's negative, so we have to make it subjunctive. Perfect. Muy bien, perfecto. Okay, so we're almost done, okay? And this is a little, no te olvides, perfect, yes. This is a little thing. So describe this pencil case. Tell me something about it, the pencil case. So what can we say? El estuche or este estuche es... How can we describe it? Tell me. Let's practice describing, okay? So I'm going to start. Este estuche or el estuche, doesn't matter, is... muy bien. El estuche es azul. Perfecto. El estuche es azul. Okay, the pencil case, a blue pencil case. Perfecto. Muy bien. I can say el estuche está lleno. It's full. It's packed, okay, with things. Está lleno. Okay, next one. Muy bien, el estuche es or tiene un bolsillo. Muy bien, es un estuche azul, perfecto. El estuche es grande, perfecto. El estuche es demasiado pequeño. El estuche es demasiado pequeño, perfecto. You're so right, it doesn't fit all the things we have there. Perfecto. Es demasiado pequeño, it's too little. Perfecto, muy bien. Alguien necesita una mochila. You're so funny. Alguien necesita una mochila. Perfect. El estuche tiene las tijeras, el pincel, la regla y las pinturas. Muy bien. Perfecto. Wow. You're funny. You're clever. Muy bien. Perfecto, lo habéis hecho fenomenal. You've done a great, great job. I hope that you like this way of studying vocabulary, right? Because we study one word and we get so many. And you can start doing this by yourself each time you learn a new word. Try doing this, okay? Remember what I have shown you. Put all the things you need to know, okay? Brainstorm for a little and then make sentences. El estuche tiene muchos colores. Perfecto. Muy bien. Great. So remember, if you want the slides, I have them in the link in my bio, okay? And always try to study like this because you get so much out of one word. And I don't know, it's amazing. I love this way of studying. And it's cute too because you have the colors, and always try to add images, okay? Because you know that we link everything in our brain, okay? So great! Thank you so much for being here with me. I really enjoy this time we have together to practice Spanish. And I can't wait to, well, we're going to finish this so soon, okay? We're our January challenge. Thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias. Un beso muy grande. ¡Mua! Adiós. Adiós a todos.